Welcome to dragonflydigital.is, how to add and change text on your WordPress website. The first thing that we're going to do is from the dashboard, we're going to navigate over to the site up in the top left-hand corner. Then we're going to navigate over to the page that we want to update. From here, we'll click on Enable Visual Builder, and we can see our containers popping up. And we're looking for the gray bar for the module itself, the text module, and then we're going to click the module settings symbol. And from here, we'll see the builder pop up, and we're in the content tab. This is where you'll change and edit your text. It's pretty straightforward and simple, like Microsoft Word. You can copy and you can paste, and you can type just like you do on Microsoft Word. And this is the actual content that we're dealing with here. We will deal with the font and the color and all of that in the design tab. And in the design tab, we'll click on the text. And here we see text font immediately. That's where we're going to change. There's a lot of different fonts that Divi offers. You can also upload your own if you'd like, or you can search for one that you have in mind to see if Divi has it, because they do have a really extensive library. You can also change the font weight. You can make it bold, you can make it thin, you can make it regular. It's pretty simple. You can do italics, you can capitalize. It's pretty simple, pretty intuitive. You just follow through here, and you can click through and you can experiment. When you want to change the color, you've got these main options, but you can click that. When you click over here at the little dropper, you can start moving things around. You can find a cool new color. You can experiment, or if you know the hex code, you can just copy paste the hex code right in there, and it'll be the specific color that you want. The size is right beneath the color, and sometimes there's an issue with them being, looking really cramped, but you just got to go to the text line height, and that's where you'll adjust, how far you want the lines from each other. And you can just adjust it, closer, further apart. It's pretty simple. Another, just kind of experiment. And here you can change the shadow on the text. This is just an effect. There's just some effects that you can do to maybe make your text pop out, and you can do the alignment. And that's basically it. That's it. That's how you change your text in the content tab, and how you change the look of it in the design tab. And thanks for watching.